So I arrived late. The concrete crew is already here pouring the garage floor. Looks like they just started though. Okay, so I guess I'm not late. Yeah, that's the first little batch. And nobody can probably hear me, but right there on the end, we had to cut off one of the rafters because the truck actually hit it. It was out a little too far, I think, so they usually pull chainsaw to get that out. And now they're on the second section here. Two of our guys are pros, 3 are noobs. If you count me, 4 are noobs. And if you count one, we've got the one who's perpetually on his phone. Typical construction worker, I guess. Work phone, work phone, work phone. So while there's a lull in the noise of this amazingly large truck, I have decided to show you a little bit more, and that is, this is only an hour after I did the first video. These guys are amazing. It shows you when you have a pro. Well, we got 2 pros and 3 novices here, so they're working their butts off. Anyway, we got run into some problems, and if these guys have had any issues with that, they were totally quiet about the whole thing. They're very kind and patient, and I don't sense exasperation from them, but I know that if I was the professional, I'd be exasperated at some of the small things they ran into. So alright, so I will show you more later. Sorry to keep saying so, but I mean, I didn't want to make an entire video of this entire thing because that would be so totally boring, and I hope you're not bored as it is. But that's his gas powered, I think they call that a screed. And then he's got these areas to go over. You can't really tell on camera, but there's a couple little rivets or lumps right there. And even if they don't go over that, it's a garage floor. It'd be nice to have it perfect, but these guys are doing this to help out, and so see in a little bit, which you won't even realize is a little bit away. Okay, so this is our 3rd truck of concrete. I think this one only has 7 yards in it, and this is a much nicer painted truck. I don't know, but anyway, so let's see how far we got. Okay, this is how far we got. It's almost all done. The pour, but the finish isn't. After this bit is poured, they have to go pick up their machine that shines it up or finishes it up. I'm not real sure. And there's the one who's already been fed. Yay! That set up for a while, and then just started with the power trowel. They do this over the entire thing. I don't even pretend to understand why or what, but here we are. Lord, they're getting excited. Okay, so it all looks done except for the relief cuts, and then they're getting final instructions on how to take care of it. And what a day. Altogether, it looks like it took 9 hours. Nickel Bob, tell me again what you would like to see. Tell me what you wanted to see. Come on. I'll only show nobody. Did you say you would really like to see Uncle Michael get concrete poured on him? Why?
Because it would be funny.
It would be funny. And you would have him forever. He'd be a concrete statue.